Yeah, Twine Valley Music asetwa ashayito yakabire G ho aba Jonathan and Frank Investments Uganda Limited abakora kaze kumiza drink hamwe na kaze roda bati drink ndebe kanko mzee habwenshi vale twakwase
vale tuza kuzenje myaka yawe cyo
toka ni abana bakuzarwa bari nk'abazeye toka kare
Ano gambe bya TikTok.
Very smart. Assignment ya Monday wa chitara person wa official.
See how you're getting married on set.
Okay. Ani nkumanya je kuruga kuriya kwika. Amushayitu ya kabiri twagitandika na Valley Music and of course His Excellency Valley Music noza konsasa wechitinisa abana mwe na barumune mutureba of course entertainment show ni yeje ni bageta twinuche extra tayari West ni UTV uri munureba ntushango murembo rwambara akashuzi kamukuzi no basaka tukuratira abibanja byone bya internet X Facebook Instagram TikTok kona teka mutayari West babeno tureba over the weekend I met some people bakuruga side za ntunga moko mcharo mukokwe za Ruera Town Council bakunjana bana bareba tayari West mwe bare munonga yesterday mbe nintambura nabana bakasana bakunja ngutayari West ni baba ro kurunji na munonga program ya twinoche extra turyabwa entertainment bya politics byo tukabiretera nyakahangura
I know
ito turyaba twinoche extra Valley Music twakwachira mu studio da Mr. Habanta bari no bakore
ninye nakira abahagizi ba tayari abahagizi ba timu eje ngoko eriya ananye bakunda munonga ruyari nabaramutse mu zina rya Rwanda
Ngerieta da way of come no wasa kuja gutu Valley Music ko tukwantu ro byeshongo
azana kwata atwire ya maranka nosote wa maranka mezi nkanga yo mu mudeji nkamukaga I think
bakimanya abakumanya ndabamanya
yeah it changed completely
n'abantu abinja bakungamba ho ibintu biri negative abwira bwinje batakumanya yes konka the moment you meet me physically you go in a different information yeah
Valley Music yariyo kuja ine this happiness mode
konka yachi
already yatanka kunyuma kapera
already yesterday status yende biro post etari nunji amahore mabigice shongoro cha producer amahore mabigo kuperwa producer wakoze cha shongoro cha mama
Chechonka by the way like one day before I was in Kampala niyo kuchira kuba ndio bwira bwinji because business niyo kutambura nyinji so hagabirwe hariyo checkmate yo mukuru akai Davila so narabayo nyine plan yo kuyija kuno gukora ki ku celebrating a birthday yanje haza nyine gendero cyo celebrating and ku releasing cyeshongoro cha birthday for everyone kugira ngo buri yomwe because buri mwaka buri mwana ine birthday so nyine gendero cyo kugira ngo buri at least mbase kuba part of his or her birthday
yeah for sure
unfortunately ndio muhanda ni nyijana ko kufuna amahuriro kandi gukora ki
okay producer
yes narugante of course ndigira checkmate nashuta mu motoka nijana ko muhanda ndakakirana hano nafuna amahuriro rago so program zona zibiri cancelled
it was unfortunate
no basaga bachari the producer
ikindi kumanya Cyrus ichatari kubasa kukiyaoninga shukigamba munonga because of yoma nakimanya
yes
umuri byona ba decent kandi abera tar money minded
yes
echo nicyo cyonka almost kikubura muri 90% y'aba producers abinji because most of the producers never losing a chances zo gukora za hits za kwenza bayamba only because they are minded ushanga umwana yija abo kugira ngo utayine mitwaro 8 ningi kume yakwenda amutaro bajo kumbe that boy yabayizirana na the next big song you see so Cyrus no shichinta chakaya kimanyira
yes
not on me because nyobu najire kora nawe I had my money I paid him kunkanka rebenjeri ya tweeting amabandi ba artist bakani
abinakora mbara abinakora amumbe ni rero nbajangu no akamwenge
akatandikira kwiyabera natandika gukora buyija akatandikira side za Rwamwaje yes after Rwamwaje yirahiho muri banda
yes
aho nto yakorekesha ngo cya stagnanti kiva kwita Ejinebara
eno yakoze cyo
yes ubambi cyarabam then hataho twageza kuguma nawe twampuringa mpaka hano yo muri mbara So still tube tukina na plans zo kumove to the bigger level.
Currently nakora na Massive.
Yeah. Massive Records ave nakora nayo konka tindi spokesperson wa Massive Records.
Yes.
So think when ndagamba binjara Massive yeah.
Anyway, Vare Music talk what officially and may the soul of Cyrus rest in eternity.
Really.
Yes.
That is it. Tina binje mikosa gamba Cyrus nimbasa kurra ndio muntu ali motion no.
Okay. Whatever emotion is over Vare Music.
I know.
Takaba emotion. Wagamba chintu chaba producer kuferwa kora hit songs abo kuba money minded origamba Cyrus. Yene okuba tegwire hit ya kachekati. Kujitira musenge.
Kajitegura. Heka mugwaho.
Kajitegura. Wakora hit nja yajitegurira. Iroko wajitegwire kezire musente ninga producer ka tarabire money minded yajitegurira bona.
Ikintu kikubasa kuba totally free mu Uganda omuno bwo kwanonda music kuri. So wagira ngo ko gitire musente of course ziba zaveze sente. However zingahi kunkan ziba zaveze sente. Yeah. Ikangitire maka sente aho kache kongana producer ka tari money minded. Yes. And big up on yourself producer wa kache katyo. Mr. Hero.
Chintu chaka sente chesho ngoro chawe na big bayeye. Hashunga zaka sente aho. Project yawe na big bayeye ndichari ngo kuba kushigama ko kamera twari kumiyunga.
Project budget na video 100,000.
100,000.
No yabagambi.
Njama tuachfa videos hati.
By the way, let me tell you something. There is one thing I want to tell you.
Use your microphone.
Ibnaka ntakacha na kubinya nambagambire of course tingambire mu ningambire nabakurikiza. Namunonga beshongoza bakoza kwijumishwa. Omunsi is modernized mnonga higuro ko mu bintu bya music. Video tichikuru. However, hano mu Africa na level ya Uganda tuitaga kuba recognized faces.
I think it is kachibuza whether the video is needed, like pushing
African theater.
Ati nagambire if iwakora no kora tayari TV. Kandi nyondo koreka ngo icyeshongo cyanje cya video kuza kuzana ni nyendo shashuri. Kimesa ngo video neza no kutureta twakora idea. You see?
Yeah, sure.
But Uganda level yituruho we are still in a third world country. Ntekwa ko accepting ibintu nkebyo. Konka abantu kuriya hera bari mu nseziri modernized ziri fine. Icyeshongoro audio yaba distributed abantu batandika ba streaming of na cent. Video nojoje bahabwa nyuma wakunda. Yes.
Kwa cyo kuba no urikize icyeshongoro cyo takumanya muntu na just still I think
kashi that's the problem of course hati nabuna kugira ntabara atabakufa munonga video konkana babatara upcoming. Let me give an example of an artist like Chameleon so far.
Yeah.
Hati nabako batakora videos. Wahura audio you automatically nabako banyo nabako power.
Ni wenda bakavale music no muntu yakura.
Ngati na kigamba ndikubesinga arba yeye. No so gamba ina nataka change nataka manya kibuzo chako. Na besinga shonga ya video kwa na uragamba video agamba mtwari 10. Kan you think akoraga video ejo. So think manya what you are trying to talk about.
Akaru Vare Music on video.
But project budget
hiyo
mtwari 10
project
AI bakapata Vare Music kwa mtu.
No. Nyowe nkakora audio nogo msigazi. You see? Kuna amazire kora audio nisha na manyangu we have to distribute the song. Then after distributing the song we shall have to shoot the video.
Yes.
But then after distributing the song chesho ngono bacha abantu.
Yeah.
So we had to shoot a clip ya TikTok for the people to know or to to recognize the artist because kanye legend wachakora bio face yo. You see kunkanyo think as a guy set yo shooting a video chesho ngore cho actually nchino plan yo kuja kora to shooting in case
wachoboraje by the way
nyonka nateka teko butayito cyeshongoro kibyo bworo bakenda budget rero batware
project budget
not really think I shooting the video ejo.
Okay. Yeah. So nituza ku expecting a video inshallah
project yes however nimbasa kuba na yambere ho ku coming up with lyrics kugaidinga cyeshongoro cyamekutambura kiti comforting a producer kunka thing naterire producer ninga ngutero mwisho kuzitana nimbasha muje tukore. So they called me since maisa ngoje project yanje so umbwire bukujo misho umbwire bukujo misho kuba choosing ku shooting a video I will still be there for them.
Trend ya eroho hata beshongo zikora music kwenda ngo batunje live streams okusinga basabwa guri umuhanda gumwe guvale music nabatangire kwata abo kuba I remember last year like Valley music are vibrant enough from industry kumwana comparing hati Valley music na ikora music yazo kwa unama I think nibishongoro binji byokozire Valley music
But on the same Valley.
Yeah, for sure you are kunkawa noreba njete energy ya binutamu umupotinga music yawe tiyo kutamu bahati tujonga abantu baji streaming akuriya sigaro tungaka sento unama
Atko kumuza echo noli ngari kumaisa ngo buriya buwabira nondeba ndintyo.
My
ways of getting money.
Yeah, maybe.
Not really.
So how is it?
Ngomuntu umbwire buri nyonko muntu nkani striking. I had my reasons.
Yeah, for sure.
Izinta kuza kushobora.
Noza kuzingamba
twaruga off camera. But as we speak,
striking kujango na yashoza audio muhurire mu nivati.
tumakanya nagambira ati no tinkwetaga video.
Ncho habe no fabuli.
Ticho chonka akaruna nebindi.
Okay.
Yes.
Buri striking nevize biwa baturagamba industry yitwa zibete okuna makwawe nchimasa ngo bizubuka ho ninga biti.
Kuna makwanje nchimasa ngipate yanje nkagikora. Kandi nisingiyo atubira kuna takagambaga. Weza?
Yo party ya
nyewe naba nimukire nkagamba nshobeye jineji neriya yaya nekorwa abantu 10 at least nta har covering abantu nk'abatanu then kimaisa ngo ni wayonjera hira kari yawe tubasa kubamara nshobe koreki ewewo so nyona ni hiro batanu ari 10 ukabareka batanu nawo ngo bamara tuprange bagake bayindike 10 we should first blame you before you ask me for why
no tukubasa
tunaranga phantom ainira kari kubasa kugamba nshobeze yo mba DJ takubasa so we have to blame him before you blame me nyowazi gambira ukati
oinachoga
oche agamba chikire cyo kakuyagamba tinkubasa
but willing to blame me you see abo kujya munyonka basa naheza na
ikibuzo kiba kiri awacho waherize okahunama kandi bizo bitarawuhire
nkaheza nareba no manya abaganda binefu mere kugira ngo boske kitajjaddi bali ankoko boske kitajjaddi bali ankoko so in the actual sense wano gambira abantu wano gambira n'abanyankore bakujya mu ngambira bahansi n'abayigwe bakoze behuri so kukwimka nagamba about the mistakes emwe 2 3 4 5 for some 2 months really nimba numwenda kumpindura shana nkati ne byanje byokora because industry nani njigambo ndugamba mistakes nimba ntakwefavoring nimba ni favoring the whole industry at large so kan mwagira ngo nyomu keeping on the position nyongo mendio kubagambira bizibu byanye it is not going
uburubire gukora byawe
keeping into that position akuba kuba bitandikire tikuja ngo bona abantu bakaguma basitani inabarugero yo bakaja ngo we should say something, we should do something kaba kachitandika konka kuba kore umuntu uri kuba yayebembire
yagarake nyuma
but then nyonka ati ejo noza kugeta revolution na ori muyebi nyoti indizire
watwira bisirahira kabura kubaseye
no nyoti indizire kutwara bisirahira tindizire kubebembera nyowe nkija ndukugamba ibintu binkurebe kubasa kunya affecting haza nyine gendura cyo kumanya ngo nibasa no ku affecting ndijo ari kuje nyuma yanje so when I overcome those problems kandi nabagambire now it's also your turn muronde ndije abagambire
byawe bikaterera abandi befo
abambantene kokora tubachimbasa
abandi abandi mwefeho bare webiye bikaterera
kwefaho at least mu blessing abigamba binabire nagabirwa nabateririho na solutions nabe nabagabirwa naborekere because nkazireta and you failed to use such solutions nazikosanyenka na overcoming now what's up
sati wote washana nabi wabino jangu bakaba kutere nkokora akuba wareterera abandi nchimesa ni wetine uwa kwa
akurecerera abandi mbachi describing ngo mungereze ntanso hari umuntu kwijari ukambinga cyomba cyeta bata akurecerera mbachi describing abata
like neglecting
ignoring
or neglecting
mwene kushanga no Fabia wowe
kasha tuwagira ngo
abandi tokwenda kumanya
kasha tuwagira ngo sinshime ku Fabia yanje nyenka kandi abandi abo kugira ngo mfana nabyabo bare bumba Fabia yawe individual buri yomwe
konka industry ne taga kwata na mukono
industry manya industry neberemo abeshongozi industry neberemo abeshongozi baki konka erimuna nabakwita abeshongozi bingi you see so nchibandi bitaga kukwata mukono abo abacabunagamba bakachenga because kuba mutabakwazara mukono hati betabarana bari abatari beshongozi mubona mbona mbato mu cyane kimwe cyo kuramba basakora hano set mukareta ngo hasima y'abeshongozi ba dancer mukareta namwe mweshongozo n'aba comedians you see because uyu mweshongoza kayagabirwa ine kwatwa mukono before shimekuwa tari mu class ejo you pick my point so nitaga kwata mukono bamwe na bamwe betaga kwata ha mukono first
ate abo kugira waba kwata mukono tokutina mukusankiwo
Mike zone za kwizaho
ati kiyo kuba wayikire ukareba nkamwana tuza kumureta nabasa kufukira
kiveyo
ekizubu oyanga kora ki umukwata because of that kusanga omwana ari mu talent iwe wayikireyo wamukwata okamore kabantu abantu babasa kuyamisho batandike gateka kayi amwesho
it is true ekyo kugamba it is true abo kuba ntibire ninkirebana bamwe bakikora yes ine nawo nabarachi nkoze nkakireba however tindi mu mood zo kuzo muri yebi but it is not it is no it's not ekina ndio ngara kama shonga yogwe it's not for everyone ngu you know ngunoza kuburi or scared because of that artist ogori yona aija nchibani tuzakuchipimira that aburemeze bwa talent yawe you see talent ya one ugitankana iwe kenyine no kurira neburamu so you will be scared of valley but if you feel like nobody can tina kosa kozi bishongoro byawe nobody can sing like you of course you can't be scared at all
for sure
kimeza abantu abatakubasa kwatira abantu they are scared
nabar talented ngarukurira talent ina yogo yanaza kuyamba yes which is very bad
ongenye like uchikwate no kuyamba abantu na no kwata mukono ari kumuta kuchetegereza tushimikwa tuyamba tabantu abanenga tubakwata mukono twahereze collabos tubatere shows tubashashuje studio like chenyini kukwata muntu
no first
one uchiya yo music
ati like DJ nkanga mbere side ya ba DJ wano enda kwatira ho DJ katugire ori DJ waikireo ine gigs no sanga DJ ali booked the whole weekend no basa kwata onka booking emwe ogiherezeho oria obobo ino za kuzana cassette orete that DJ abantu batakumanya wano za kuzana like 2 hours umuherezeho like 30 minutes sezi kusembayo obeze kutandika ono ba wamkwatiraho wamwereka wamwereka abantu
but it's different mu music you it because that you think was akubanye booking nkareka kweshongora nkazindika imweshongozo ndisho it's quite different yes nubuza kubazira nyiti nkwata nyingi
uriya na ya booking vale
umweshongozo is different
cash kwa kontera konkubanye ndavale okanje tukonkanyo tindu but wateza big
ncho nani nyija hwecho ito witu changuhi konka tokubasa kuchikora nkogwe atogubaba mwesire DJ changuhi nabasa kuswitchinga DJ aze yaje ati ndio ninyija you see konka nyo tinkubasa kuswitchinga mweshongoza kajanta nankaza kweshongora I'm coming tichikubasika konka ekindi kumanya nimbasa witu ukubasa kuyamba beshongoza batayi bitu the more you get higher no koma kufuna connections nanaba kugabe emirimo abagabe emirimo bwiro bwingi tuba bakutushikira abagabe emirimo mbarabo muri Beyazini you see hati Beyazini ushanga na amanyanyowe konka nyowe ni manya beshongoza abandi bangayi
bana
so now it's my role kuretera Beyazini yamanya abandi beshongoza bangayi bariya nimba nabayamba niyo ngeri twubasa kuyamba amabeshongoza
weno kumuhereza social capital
endorsement kujana no endorsing everywhere niko cyakubene
konga like konga nabo stili baza kwendorsing cyuma social media kuboyineho ikutambura icyo umuntu kugira ngo vale music kora endorsing Rona atahikayo kandi akakushwaza niva bakaje matwaturetera chibi
cash of course ntirugira wa because atinyani manya kweshongora ni manya mweshongoza tuna kugira nti beshongozi nimba urata kubasa kureta beshongozi batano bona akakugira ngo nabeshongozi manya mabeshongozi babiri ningongo so I will endorse that one
njerwano jangu tukiri bache
ekindi vale nobwe kubensonga ya endorsement umuntu currently our customers abituza kweta bakutuhereza mirimo kare na ndavale ngatu mu industry yitu nobwo kuja turi bache ro harimo binja bakuzo mu studio bakariya yebyeshongo kunkutera vale ndi kumwenda akandira nkashanga nakora miliyonina kandi ari busy yamperezo ndijo wara oya endorsing abira kya ogone muhereza nkaga
yeah konka ushanga no guba kwenda kwankaga atakakorera gatano
Yeah, for real.
konka because of iwe yo bambenda kuhereza
Our recommendation.
yes
then
ushanga
what
yako
should be done to
mukagaze
close that gap
ikine kubaho abeshongozi twe nkati
akuba nicakukana muna na central kwa naenda king sase at least hariho abandi beshongozi nka batanu mukaga
Abari muri Revenge.
bajyo muri Revenge emwe
in fact no mukampara cyangwa iyi kamiliyoni namanya no kujya tunarwara tunga king sakaze kunyishongora it is normal
kandi azayishongora
yes,
bazimu
yes, it's normal konka hano yatikabire cyo kuba ni kugira tukirace
imwe bace mwakora cyo kuroza
tutaga
gape
multiplyinga tutaka multiplyinga kama nzira bina kwijisya guy wanje no mwe mwishongozo bakweta adomzo
yes wakashochi
hata no manyisa ngo adomzo was talented or not
was
mwe no buti to multiplyinga ningantu and the solution is endorsing adomzo bakana kana bro endorsement
kashabwe nti
Batunje endorsements, batunje sente zo garuka mu
no
studios.
hati sheje ndio ni mu endorsing ashana wo touch not sing
nanye ntabwe nti bataraje muhiri
baba kajimwim of course and that is one of the reasons we had to come out and talk about such issues yes
okay
because wambuza solution to feeling that the gap says it is by endorsing such artists you call wa choosing okajango adomzo was talented
yes
and he's still alive
Yes.
abwenchi mu grouping nko wabira talented when actually true he is still talented na chitaga endorsement zikusingana nayo inamwe elizo
music ni bya ukanavare echo kanchange warugo music oka stepping okagaruka
Yarugo music.
no tachiri talented turebera beshongozi bakaba bari talented kare chokati wamuteka hati no ukateka no wenyuma nogira nga tibo bamwe
no gamara mazima
phantom kanku
Ebintu
kare
bya talent
yabaritare
niziwo.
adomzo kora okuyabe nayo shongora hatejesha wa mureta nayo shongora nko ndijo umuntu
nkubuza ekibuzo let me tell you nkubuza ekibuzo nkubuza eva kambuze beyazin ka kubuza
Yes,
matendo kuyabira na eshongore nyuma niko kwa kweshongora
no
you're speaking in tongues.
no banzurtis
echamani munonga
mateno okuyabe nayo shongora nyuma ebiyabe nayo shongora ni bimwe buriye nyuma bwe kikakiri kimwe
Aaron is saying
Before
something
now.
here. Yeah.
kugira ngo talent nehinduka talent negumaho konke mirembe yo negenda naza kwijana sound yeri yagenzire nayo abana bakure bindi
chenyine
totally
nco nandiyo ningamba mutakayikirizo murembe kugenda katwara beshongozi mukaga mu kubareba bakwetaga seti bakwetaga power play bakweta then ukabima power play koko mwima power play itonto bantu bareba gaye
konka vale
imani yo mukandi kureba
kutandikana ni wo mweshongozi aha kwenshi no enda bande bakwe endorsement
of course najya wajya ngutandika nanye no kumwishongozi twatujya nshonga ya domzo nori ngaro kujya ngo domzo taine video ya YouTube adomzo taine music ya YouTube yes kunka chikatandika nawe then bang with my endorsement I'm still talking about the endorsement issue here yes nitaga kuhereza
kabenchi komari wo mweshongozi kora video na audio kabitaho kagira ngo
not really tocha kubere nchikoma konka ati noma umutima gundi ningambira mo ebi umutima gwa burijo gwabantu bakosa kuzo mu katare guremere no mutima gwa humanity
Ubuntu.
yes hati nyoko ngwani njandi tukiri bache nimanta kumanisa ngo I cannot sing without you
okay
nimba nimasa gumza muri kweshongora actually nimasa no kuza kenyambo mweshongora
we have to
avare cya turi bace naco nanyenda kuciyaho ni Western Uganda twina beshongozi binje munonga oyine kongera akagambo
Vale ecyakugamba turi binji konga beshongozi nubachi.
na chigambere kare
abo bono bateko mukategura
okujo turi binji konka beshongozi nibache uringaro kujya ngo nyowe nanyizira hano kugamba abinde bintu bitari beshongozi I'm only talking about the beshongozi
the statement nayo nebasa kubegwira abeshongozi ni binja bakumanywa ni bake
Abakuma kweshongora.
abakumanywa
Abatakweshongora best.
those who are known they are few yes we have very few minutes to go
Wama vale. Phantom DJ yanga beshongozi ni binji ni beshongora nkahi.
That's why Phantom DJ wana ukasanga beshongozi ni binji ninyenda list shaheji amazina 10 1 2 3 10 irakusi
Reggie Megapolis Manyi
Simanyi yani.
Reka mbaze kushobora kagambo simanyi chakategeza nikamanyisa ngo you don't know completely
tashi UG of course mtawareda tikamwenda zonkeza sigara tukahendera and of course tunuche extra tayari west that is very music in wetu ina hand tuganire songas nyingi very we are switching twinobwire buce munonga twinobwire buco bwasigara vare we are switching ntuza turumu turi kwendera nshonga nibiri yo latest song na no kutugambira right now on management iwabe no jangu niyo wa promote ndire uchaji promotinga ukajirugamo
makamba je tabata
ukaja niyo waje introduce nje ukaje promote
ya za receipts
makamba je tabata
ningeje nindi
no jimanyo ko jiri
hatu warangweka kweba nzona ngamba kuko rangweka kweba kandi nje promotion najireka
rero kundi kama uko etero ningeje ukara
mazaro ndesimu kujibuka mweno
bueno management otijirimo ekaruga.
Anyway, the thing is I'm running my staff nyina abantu inyuma konka still nchine contract yabo teka wile
yateje nono kuchikorota
contract very serious
of course niyo shonga
nchizo mu recording ninga niyo shengwa no bashashuro yene contract uka breaching contract kubikuje byaho contract yaho then we shall tell you
okay
no kubanzo
muri no mushashurana hata
ugambere cyo ine yovare music ugambera n'abahagizi babo
nyine
nakabuzo
yeah
ataka tukambira project iyi vale uri umwambe shongoza abakwa binegari yabo abantu abo kutama nabo mushongozi kandi turebere abeshongoza binje nibagwa omusagaze nyinja habweze gari ni ubireho victim umukireke nyima aho bakugira ngo abe n'abantu bawo mukashisha ikintu cyo muntu mwabo no chikorota ko mushongozi kugira ngo otakatekinga abantu bawe batakakora ikintu cyo kugira ngo shishi zina ryawe abo kubo inegari oina abantu bakana bamba gira ngo
like controlling kuba nkora n'abantu bakwetegereza twakwitaga
when
control
accusations zizireho they were totally wrong
yo mukashangari abanje they understand
konkana ngo akintu cye garage like numbana mutura kumwe buri muntu natura we then mutera na
kana to understand ka kuri ngurizo mu office
like I want to know
like babi ndeka kwate chiniwe
now
nabaza n'umpira umwe
now these people nyenda ku inakanta kuna nyenda kubatangaza ko kachaminwa banya mutine bwira ebintu bitahitana nebirungi nibyakirana for example wagamba bakate moto bakashishe kintu cha somebody then aba considered konka ko kuza kwitegereza hati yo nobasa kufocusinga kugira ngo uri abashishe kintu cye utafocusingira amagarago mweshongoza nkanye it is very simple kwimuka bakakugira ngo Moses radio yafa ibintu by'ekisiro very okay nchakare kugira ngo AK47 yakora ki yafa konka kandi ishahidi you don't want to think about it you want to think about the glasses of a car you know
mwategana sababa
ngo kuna kugira ngo ebirungi nibitahitana hakiri bonsa kava mutero mweshongoza koreke
brand
buri umwe no kwefa
atwe banza no janga kutirisi makwesere
okay
bwene garu bajikomeko ko batakwasira
itwe we are peaceful people protecting a peace for the artist first unless you wish to be against artist yes
reka to be real like when gari y'abantu bangana
binji munonga namwe tinko bamwe
so abantu abo none bashashura nibamba koja
abantu abo nibankunda munonga kusinga no kutekateka no kuwakwera nonda kutekateka actually no kuwakugeza forcing umutego wangu utekateka they love me more than that yes
one love
so when
kono no my definition y'ekigambo die hard
oh wow abo kubito ntibantu webuza like abantu abatuvane music nakorera sente zinga yaza kushashura abantu abe garage yone
some people no rugamo shongoza karga yaza jinja kweshongora bamutera yaterwe gari yo ndijo mweshongoza yasiga
you see I know
Kampala yaza kweshongora kabare yatererwa egari z'abandi
kandi abakumutera yabasigo
sechi mwensa na rwasa kwija mbarushanje egari yawe
die hard mboba kweta magari
wow
die hard mboba kudefine kama magari yes yeah and they are everywhere
vare twereze cyeshongoro cyawe shaza twara
icyeshongoro cya birthday nkazarwa kibanza cyo kwa mushanjo which is almost tomorrow mwaka nimbaza kwanta kigwirukaje ungana muto munonga yeah but I think I was born banka 99
really
abantu binju beshongwire birthday songs
oh baby
ni checho
yeah
okay tuwe sound